Good morning. I'm Mohan Parthasarathi, your happiness coach. One of my friends asked me when this corona will end. I answered him, it will end when you put full stop to your thoughts about it. We keep on creating thoughts about the virus, which is actually keeping it live. I may sound a bit orthodox, but I strongly believe that thoughts create destiny. Thanks to the social media, news channels, and print media, which has actually created this fear in the minds of people. They keep on repeating and affirming in all our minds about this disease. Everyone wants to come out of this universal problem. But are we creating a right thought? Are we creating that positive energy which can actually neutralize this negativity? Just think on it. My request to everyone will be to start spreading positivity around you. We all are healthy and happy. We are shielded with God's energy. God's energy has spreaded across our body. This disease is of past. It has gone. We all are protected with God's power. We are positive. We think positive. Gone. It has left this world. It is over. We have resumed our normal life and everything around us is back to normal. Let's repeat this affirmation and ensure to push COVID-19 out of this world. First, believe it and definitely it will happen. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.